So Islamic mindset like towards health, sickness, and disease. There are like 5 factors where we have to do is like faith, prayer, hope, gratitude, Quran, prophetic medicine, hijama cupping, therapy, and ruqya. Sunnah foods and herbs and detox exercise, metaphysical, shaitan, jinn, and magic, which are helped to cure through hijama therapy and Islamic medication. So in Islamic medications, what I personally have been taking from many years, I've been following Tibbi Nabwi, which includes black seeds, honey, olive oil, and these are like trying my best to do everyday routine, which helped me a lot in so many things. And I also have told some of my coworkers regarding this, and they were amazed, and they're not Muslim. They used to have trouble going to they had bowel problem, going to washroom and everything, and then I gave them an example. They started taking like every morning a little bit on like a pinch with warm water, the black seeds, and they are so amazed and they're so thankful that I told them, and they're spreading this word of mouth of black seeds everyone who's dealing with these kind of issues. What I have personally experienced, and I've been telling people about Islamic medication,